As containers and modern databases get widely adopted and enter production, all data needs to be secured and protected. A backup strategy is a major component of this plan. Without a comprehensive data protection plan, malicious actors can take hold of your mission-critical Kubernetes data, and you won't have a way to fully recover. You need someone who can back up and restore complex Kubernetes data, configurations, and objects, and ensure business continuity. With Portworx Backup, you can save the day. Portworx Backup offers full-service, app-aware, and container-granular data protection with ransomware protection, disaster recovery, and application migration to any environment. This helps you securely restore data with a single click. Portworx Backup, the easy button to protect your Kubernetes workload.